Hi guys, this is my first video and today we're going to be making a Mario out of Plus Plus. As you can see, I've broken down Mario and sorted it into color pairs or piles. So you're going to need 9 red, 9 blue, 1 yellow, 4 beige, 2 black, 4 white, and 4 brown. And now I've taken in the blue and brown piles, and we're gonna start on the legs. So you're gonna need to do this twice like this, and then you're gonna take one and attach it like this, and then you're gonna take one more and put it on the top of one, and if it bended like this, you can just fix it because these bend lots, and then you can just attach it to the other leg like this. And now we're gonna start on Mario's body. So to start, you're gonna need 2 blue, and you're gonna attach the yellow in between so it looks like his buttons. And you're gonna start on the upper part of his body. So you're gonna need 2 blue and 2 red. And you're gonna attach the blue on the side like this. And once you're finished, you can start on the arms.
Did we take my snowflake?
And now to start on the arms, you're going to go like this, and then you're going to attach it to one side of the straps, and you're going to do the same thing with the other side. And now to attach, you're going to go like this. I'm going to start on the head. So first you're going to attach one of the beige on the body for the neck. And now we're going to start on his head now. So you're going to need these to start. You're going to go like this. And you're going to turn it upside down and attach one in the middle and one on the other side. And then you're going to attach one in between all of them for the mustache. And then if you want to do extra detail, you can do the hair like this. And you can go like this for the hat. And to attach it on top. And then attach it to the hair. And then attach it to the neck. And then you're done.